woodpecker in a mangrove tree wakes me as the sun comes up. I go outside, I start to come alive. I smoke some weed in the tiki hut. The ocean looks just like a sheet of glass with only pelicans breaking through. But the breeze blows in the sound of coughing, so my neighbors must be up too. Everybody's got a smile on their face in this.
All right, it's a little warm out, so me and Jim are gonna go have some fun and do some swimming. Come along.
They're laid up, laid out, or laid back in the keys. Some people might say you caught the disease. If you get laid up, laid out, or laid back in the keys. Now later on out on Sisters Creek, go fishing round 8 o'clock. Got a bucket full of bait, a cooler full of beer, and we're all grinning as we leave the dock. And that beer's getting drunk, and that bait's getting sunk in the middle of my snapper hole. We got 5 we could keep, 3 we threw back, and there's another one bending my pole. Everybody's got a smile on their face in this place. It's easy to see. They're laid up, laid out, or laid back in the keys. Some people might say,
Hey, no jumping.
If you get laid up, laid out, or laid back in the keys. Now all I want at the end of the day is a chance to do this all again. On a tide that ain't slack, that wind in my back, in the sand, in the salt with my friends.
Okay, here we are at the Pine Channel Nature Park in Big Pine at the observation deck, overlooking the swimming hole. As you can see, they got some beautiful tiki huts with nice grills for you to grill with your family and friends. You can go swimming, you can launch your kayak. Got a nice little place to get washed up after you're done. I mean, it's a nice little park. Seems to have a little bit of everything for everyone.
Yeah.
Some nature trails if you want to hike them.
So we came out this morning and threw some burgers and shrimp on the grill and came down and put some snorkel gear on and looked around and saw some fish, and it's a nice little area, nice quiet little park.
My thoughts is if you're looking for a fun Sunday, this is a great place to do it. You should really give it a chance. Check it out. It's quiet, it's fun. It doesn't matter what time you get here. It seems to be a little bit of traffic, so you always have a nice place to park, and come on out.
And no, you'll never drink alone. 'Cause everybody's got a smile on their face in this place. It's easy to see. We're laid up, laid out, or laid back in the keys. Some people might say you even caught the disease. If you get laid up, laid out, or laid Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes I just get it done, and sometimes it takes so long. It might be dim, oh so bright. Yeah, I'm just some moth flying through the night, trying to find the light. Oh, I'm just some moth flying through the night, trying to find the light. Sometimes I lose, sometimes I win. Sometimes I climb to the top of the hill, I get knocked down again. Sometimes I laugh, sometimes I cry. Oh, some days I shine like a star, and other days I just get by. Yeah, some days I shine like a star, and other days I just get by. 28,000 days and 28,000 nights is the average number they say I have to live my life. 77 trips around the sun. Well, you could bet your ass I ain't wasting another one. Yeah, you could bet your ass I don't waste another one. Sometimes it's whiskey, sometimes it's weed. Sometimes a day all alone with my thoughts is all that I need to free my mind, slow down my brain, yeah, and stop speeding towards the end of my days like an old freight train. Oh, stop speeding through the rest of these days like an old freight train. 28,000 days and 28,000 nights is the average number they say I have to live my life. 77 trips around the sun. So you could bet your ass I ain't wasting another one. Yeah, you could bet your ass I don't waste another one. Sometimes I sin, sometimes I pray. Well, I pray I don't sin too much along my way. Now that I've found where I belong, oh, I'll probably spend up the rest of my days singing you my song. Yeah, I'm gonna spend up the rest of my days singing you my song. Yeah, some days I shine like a star, and other days I just get by. Oh, I'm just a moth flying through the night, trying to find that light. Thank you. Be good to your soul. Best advice ever told. Yeah, do the things that made you smile as a child when you grow old. Be good to your soul, worth more than all the world's gold. Because you can't take it with you when you reach the end of your road. Oh, there'll be times in your life when you're caught up in the madness, fighting your way through some heartache and some sadness. But everyone's life is full of setbacks and surprises. So just remember that the sun sets as many times as it rises. And just be good to your soul, the best advice ever told. And do the things that made you smile as a child when you grow old. Be good to your soul, worth more than all the world's gold. Because you can't take it with you when you reach the end of your road. You gotta live for today, let yesterday go. Because tomorrow don't belong to you yet. Be good to your soul. Hey, just be good to your soul, the best advice ever told. Yeah, do the things that made you smile as a child, even when you grow old. Be good to your soul, worth more than all the world's gold. Because you can't take it with you when you reach the end of your road. You know you can't take it with you when you reach the end of your road. So just be good to your soul.